In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ScreenPal, which is an open source screen recorder and video editor. So to access ScreenPal, all you need is to come to your search bar and just type in ScreenPal, just like so. Then enter, and you brought in over here, you can see screen recorder and video editor. It's a free open source that you can share and reshare with your friends. So once you're here, you'll be able to see download ScreenPal for free. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. So you can just check around to see what they can do, and you can just click on download to download it. I've already downloaded mine, so you can just click. You can see you just download and save it. All right now you can see download is complete, so you can click to install. All right, so right now you can see the software has already been installed. So all you need to start recording, you can always see it over here. ScreenPal, you can see it over here. Once you open, if you want to start recording, you can come to the top here and click to record, and you can define the sections you want to record. You can see you can define the width of where we want to record. The best part of it is that it has this much control. You can write, you can clear, you can zoom in and out. You have this text and editing feature. And then over here, you can specify, you can record screen, camera, and both screen and camera if you want. And then you can specify the computer audio, narration, which one do you want, and then the sizing of the video that you want to record. Usually I go with a 720, which is the best one for now. You can specify the screen size also, 1920 by 1080. So once you're okay, you can come down here and click on record to start recording your screen. And once you're done, you can edit and download it to your system. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.